Welcome to Picsart Flow, where campaigns fall in love at first click. Today, we're crafting a stunning Valentine's Day campaign from scratch. We kick things off at Start Now by uploading our brand logo. Next up, our hero image, a heart-shaped love potion bottle that's designed to steal hearts. This becomes the heart of it all, anchoring every asset we create. Now, we let AI read between the lines and write the perfect product copy, so every headline, caption, and CTA stays on brand and on point. With everything set, it's time to let the magic unfold. One click later, Flow sweeps us off our feet, generating lifestyle prompts, social banners, and video scripts all at once. Let's take a look at the lovely lifestyle ads. From cozy candlelit moments to dreamy outdoor picnics, AI nails every Valentine's vibe. For product ads, we get fully designed banners with heart-stopping headlines, ready to charm Instagram and Pinterest. And for social stories, we turn up the romance with animated text ads that really move people. A quick run command and static visuals turn into motion that makes hearts flutter. And now, the grand finale, the full lifestyle video ad. Flow writes the script and delivers a cinematic commercial that's pure love potion energy. In just minutes, your entire Valentine's campaign is ready to go live and steal hearts everywhere.